Why do American households not have kettles? This is what you have, right? Like you have a garbage chute or whatever the fuck that is, but a kettle is too much to ask for. Okay, cool. Then you put it on the stove. These are the medieval times. Okay, that'll be 40 minutes. I'm just trying to fill these hot water bottles. Just realized I want to make tea as well because we're sick, but I only have one kettle worth. Like that's another 40 minutes. Do I do 2 hot water bottles or tea? You have to decide. I'm telling you, medieval times. Look what I just found. So in America, this is how people have their coffee, right? They put the coffee in here, whatever. Just do this, but with hot water, please. It's the same. Why are we living in the Middle Ages? Anyway, we were meant to stay in this Airbnb for 1 night. Shit. We've been here for like 4, and we're staying another 2 nights. What the fuck is this? I thought this was an orange. Don't tell me it's a fucking grapefruit. It's completely fine. I am gonna try it just in case. I can't taste anything, so it tastes like orange to me. I love going through Airbnb pantries. The owners don't even know that I'm looking at their pantry. She did say we can help ourselves. Maybe I'll do this for us. So it's been 25 minutes. Still not done. Take 2. This is an orange. As you can obviously tell. Fuck. I'm tired. Why is the water taking so long? I just want tea. It's okay. I shouldn't drink this, but it's so good. Oh my fuck. To be honest, I'm done waiting. This is warm enough. I'm not gonna... Is this how you do it? That's wrong. I have to undo the thing. I'm silly. Just like this. Just like this. Not too much. Still want to have some tea, if that's okay with you. I've done it. I've actually done it. Okay, we've just been sitting on the couch trying to feel better, watching this YouTube channel. It's just a man who goes camping by himself in the wilderness. His name is Luke from the Outdoor Boys.
Oh, that's a lot of work. You sink a lot further down in the snow when you...
This guy owns YouTube right now. It's just so good.